Hello friends, welcome to Intellectual Masters channel. In this video, we learn about how to protect the sheet. Before getting into that, there are different methods of protection. Out of that, one of the concepts we discussed in the earlier session, that is how to protect the cells individually. So rest of the following concepts are this, like how to protect the sheet and how to protect the workbook structure. And the last one is how to protect the mark as panel. These are the rest of the concepts for protection. One of the concepts we discussed in the earlier session. Okay, so let's get started. How to protect the sheet. How to protect the sheet means what? It's nothing but it will protect the entire contents of the workbook. Whatever the contents you prepare, it is going to protect the entire workbook. That is the concept of protect the sheet. Protect the sheet is nothing but it is going to protect the entire workbook, whatever the contents has been prepared. Okay, so let's start this concept. How to protect the sheet. The navigation is file, protect workbook, encrypt with password. So give any numeric or else alphanumeric anything. So I'm giving like 1 to 6 numerical numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Now, or else what thing you need to do? Save. Or else you can press directly Control S. Where you want to save. Select desktop or else document, which folder you want to save. I'm selecting desktop. Here, let's give the file name Harish or else any sort of file names you can give here. So I'm taking as Harish. Under which folder you want to save. Desktop, we already chosen. Click on save. So our file name also will be Harish. So now close the file. Your file will be here, Harish. So double click on Harish file now. Enter the password. So what is the main intention now? No one can open your Excel file unless they give the password. They can't use the contents. That is the main use of protecting the sheet. Once you protect the sheet, no one can open the Excel file unless they give the password. They can't use the contents also. So this is the main intention of preparing the protect sheet. Of course, there is some third-party tool short program like they can crack the password. Even though that is difficult, the password is too long or with the combination of alphanumeric, they can't do that. Okay. So the use of protect the sheet is to secure the entire workbook. That is the main use of protect sheet. Okay. Next concept, how to protect the workbook structure. Workbook structure is nothing but, so let's name it here. The sheet name is sheet number 1. If you double click on that, you can name the worksheet name like protection. I am naming it as protection. You just simply double click on this. You can change the name of the sheet. Right click on that particular sheet name, move or copy. I am creating one more duplication. Click on OK. So there is no protection 2 and protection. Same sheet we have copied. Okay. In the sheet number 1 to sheet number 2, the same name, the same sheets we have copied. Now what I will do is protect the workbook structure. Means what? If you click on this plus icon, your new sheets will add. Sheet number 2, sheet number 3, it keeps on adding the sheets. Now Once you go to File tab, protect workbook structure. Once you give the password here, your new sheet worksheet can't be added. The new worksheet can't be added, or current worksheet can't be copied. It is disabled now. Move or copy is disabled. So current worksheet can't be copied, nor new worksheet can't be added. If you want to add, go to File, protect workbook structure. Once you give the password here, then only it is going to add it. Okay, or move or copy also. These two options is going to enable unless until you enter the password for protect workbook structure. Okay. Next, protect mark as final. Protect mark as final means it is a final version of the workbook, and in order to discourage editing option, okay, I'll show you. File, protect workbook, mark as final. Click on OK. Click on OK. It will show the dialog box like an author has marked this workbook as final to discourage editing. In order to discourage editing, we are going to use this option. So all the command tab has been removed. All the command tab has been removed. Only menu tab is showing now. All the command tab has been removed. Okay. So this is how we are going to your mark as final copy. If you want to edit, you can click on edit anyway, but the dialog box, if it shows, the other members of your team does not edit, or they will understand the worksheet has been revised and it is a final copy of the worksheet. Okay. So if you click on edit anyway, it will show. But before that, the dialog box is going to show, right? You click on mark as final, click on OK. Clearly, the dialog box is showing here. This dialog box is showing so that they won't edit. Which dialog box? Marked as final, and author has marked this workbook as final to discourage it. If this dialog box shows, the members of your team will not edit, or they will understand it as the worksheet has been revised, or it is the final copy. They will easily come to know. Okay. So this is how it is going to help you. Again, once again, I'll explain you. Protect workbook, mark as final. Okay. Once again, protect the sheet is nothing but whatever the contents you prepared in the existing workbook, it is going to be protected. Means file, protect workbook, encrypt password. Already we give the password here. If you want to cancel the password, file, protect workbook, encrypt with password, place a cursor here, backspace, remove the entire password, click on OK. Now close the worksheet, save, click on Harish Bhai. Now the password is not going to ask because we remove the password. Okay. So it's nothing but it is to protect the entire contents of the workbook, or you can cancel the password. Protect the workbook structure is nothing but to add a sheet, to add a workbook, to add the worksheet here. Plus icon is nothing but to add the worksheet. If you, or else to move or copy, right click. You want to move or copy. To protect this, file tab, protect workbook, protect workbook structure. You enter this password. Now you can't add a worksheet nor move or copy. It's going to be disabled unless until you enter the password. Okay. Next, how to protect the mark as final means. In order to discourage editing option, protect workbook mark as the final copy so that no one is going to edit your worksheet, because this dialog box, if they see, they will come to know that it is the worksheet has been revised or it is a final copy. We should not edit. So this is how this mark as final copy is going to work out. Okay. So protect sheet. If you enter this password, it will protect the entire workbook if you save. Okay. Unless until you enter the password, no one can use the contents. If you enter this 6 numeric password only, your worksheet is going to open. Right? So we'll wind up here. So if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. Next session is about test functions we'll discuss. Okay. Thank you.